So this is the neck traction activity. You've got your home unit here. I'm going to show you how to set it up and then also how to perform the activities. So first you want to find a door here, and you're going to take this piece, set it over the door as such, and then close the door securely. And you'll have this little strap hanging down on the side. Then you got to determine how long to make it. So you want the neck traction when it's hanging there is going to be just slightly right under your chin. So we're going to figure that out. It's going to be right here under my chin. And then what I'll do is I'll tie a knot right at that area and I'm going to loop it on. So just watch me real quick, tie a knot, and then I'll loop it on. And the way you loop it on is you just set the piece through here, through the little loop there, and then pull it all the way around. Open this up, pull it through like that. It's going to be nice and secure. And then I'll hang that from the door. Put that over the door, hang it, and perfect height for me right now. So that was for me, and now I'm going to set it up for Sabina. But we're different heights. So if you have family members that are using the same unit, you might want to just get a carabiner right here. That way you can just clip it on and off at the right height for each of you. All right, I'm going to set it up for Sabina now, and then we'll have her demonstrate. You see right here, it's the right height. So come on and step up here. What you want to do is bring this curve bar around the back, and then you're going to grab on here with the handles and pull that under your chin. Good. Now from here, you want to just bend your knees and do a little squat straight down, holding for 1 to 2 seconds at the bottom. Good. And down. Try and relax your shoulders. Don't shrug your shoulders up, but let them go down. Good. All right. So some common mistakes would be to just like pull back like that. You want to make sure you're not pulling back. And then also the other one would be like you really like smush your body into the door as you go down, like smush your hips. You don't really want to do that either. So you just want to go straight down, hold for a second, and then come back up. So that's the neck traction activity. Really vital exercise to be doing. Helps to maintain and restore the curve in your neck, reduce the reoccurrence of subluxations in your neck, and loosen up the really stiff ligaments and muscles. So thank you so much. Do this every day. It's a really, really important activity.